Welcome to MVP Auto Update Hub, your ultimate source for the latest and most exciting updates in the automotive world. Today, we have something truly special for all the performance SUV lovers out there, the 2025 BMW X5M. The X5M has always been a dominant force in the luxury SUV segment, blending raw power with BM's signature engineering precision. But the 2025 model takes things to a whole new level. Packed with cutting-edge technology, a more aggressive design, and heart-pounding performance, this is an SUV that refuses to compromise. Stay tuned as we dive deep into what makes the 2025 BMW X5M an absolute beast on the road. Let's start with what truly defines an X5M, the powertrain. Under the hood of the 2025 BMW X5M lies a monstrous 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now enhanced with BM's latest M hybrid technology. This means you get an electrified boost, delivering a staggering 738 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. Yes, you heard that right. This is one of the most powerful SUVs BMW has ever produced. With this incredible power, the X5M can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. That's supercar territory in a luxury SUV. BMW has refined its 8-speed M Steptronic transmission for quicker shifts and seamless power delivery, ensuring a thrilling driving experience every time you step on the gas. To handle all that power, BMW has equipped the X5M with its intelligent MX Drive all-wheel drive system. This system is designed to optimize traction and stability, giving you maximum control whether you're tearing up the highway or tackling challenging terrains. Paired with an active M differential, the X5M ensures precise cornering and dynamic handling, making every drive feel like an event. Plus, the adaptive M suspension has been fine-tuned for an even better balance between comfort and performance, allowing you to switch from a smooth daily drive to an aggressive track-ready monster at the push of a button. The 2025 BMW X5M makes a bold statement with its refreshed design. At first glance, you'll notice the updated M kidney grille, now more pronounced and featuring illuminated contours for a striking presence at night. The aggressive front bumper houses larger air intakes, which not only enhance the SUV's menacing look but also improve cooling for that powerful V8 engine. The laser-sharp LED headlights with BM's latest Icon adaptive lighting technology provide superior visibility while adding to the vehicle's futuristic appeal. Moving to the side profile, the X5M now rides on standard 21-inch front and 22-inch rear forged alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires for ultimate grip. The flared wheel arches and sculpted lines give it a muscular stance, while the new M carbon side mirror caps add a touch of motorsport heritage. At the back, you're greeted with an updated M rear spoiler, quad exhaust tips with a new M sound system, and a reworked diffuser that not only looks aggressive but enhances aerodynamics. BMW has truly mastered the balance between luxury and sportiness in the X5M's design. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of high-performance luxury. The 2025 BMW X5M's cabin is a perfect blend of premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and driver-focused ergonomics. You get M-specific sports seats wrapped in merino leather, offering supreme comfort and support during high-speed maneuvers. The M Alcantara headliner, carbon fiber trim elements, and ambient lighting create an ultra-premium atmosphere, making every drive feel special. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 X5M is BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system, displayed on a massive 14.9-inch curved touchscreen that seamlessly integrates with the 12.3-inch digital driver's display. The new interface is faster, more intuitive, and features AI-powered voice commands, allowing you to control everything from navigation to climate settings with ease. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system for an immersive audio experience. For tech enthusiasts, the X5M also introduces BMW's new augmented reality navigation, which overlays real-time navigation instructions onto a live camera feed on the infotainment screen. This makes navigating busy city streets or unfamiliar routes incredibly simple. And of course, there's a head-up display with M-specific graphics, ensuring you have all the essential performance data right in your line of sight. BMW has left no stone unturned when it comes to safety. The 2025 X5M is packed with an array of advanced driver assistance systems. The latest version of BMW's driving assistant professional includes adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. There's also a new active steering assist, which makes highway driving even more effortless by keeping the SUV centered in its lane with minimal driver input. The 360-degree camera system with 3D surround view ensures you have a clear picture of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering this high-performance SUV easier than ever. BMW has also integrated its remote parking feature, allowing you to park the X5M using your smartphone while standing outside the vehicle, a futuristic touch that adds both convenience and style. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 BMW X5M isn't just a performance SUV, it's a statement of luxury and power. The starting price for the X5M competition model is expected to be around $130,000, depending on additional options and customization. This puts it in direct competition with the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S, and Audi RS Q8. While each of these rivals offers impressive performance, the X5M stands out with its perfect blend of raw power, daily drivability, and cutting-edge technology. So, is the 2025 BMW X5M the ultimate high-performance luxury SUV? Well, with 738 horsepower, a blistering 0 to 60 time, and a host of new tech and design enhancements, it certainly makes a strong case for itself. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV with insane performance capabilities or simply want a vehicle that turns heads wherever it goes, the X5M delivers on all fronts. BMW has once again proven why its M division remains at the pinnacle of performance engineering. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 BMW X5M. What do you think of this high-performance beast? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive updates. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.